Hi guys, today we are going to make an easy chicken and shrimp wrap with a side of tater tots. For this recipe, we'll be using chicken breast, eggs, shrimp, avocado, cheese, shallot, parsley, and green onions. First, let's chop up and prepare our ingredients. With the chicken breast, let's slice it up and marinate it with some salt, pepper, and chili powder. For the shrimps, peel away the remaining shell and butterfly it. Okay, let's start cooking. Heat up the pan and drop in some butter. Add shallot, parsley to season the butter. Afterwards, drop in some shrimp and cook the shrimp for 5 to 8 minutes. Before I forget, you can set the oven to 425 degrees and start baking your tater tots. This should take about 30 to 40 minutes depending on how thaw out your tater tots are before baking. For the chicken, heat up the pan and put in some butter. Spread the chicken pieces onto the pan. While the chicken is cooking, you can also start preparing the avocado. While you're at it, let's fry some eggs. After all your ingredients has been cooked, you can start making the wrap. Start by heating up the wrap with cheese on top. Build up the wrap with your desired amount of ingredients. When you are done, plate and serve with the tater tots. Hi guys, it's Wei here.
Hi, this is Chelsea.
So Chelsea, I know today you've been outside for a long time, right? And I've been at home cooking this wonderful dish for you. Let's see how you like it.
Okay, cool. So at first I think it looks good.
You know, it's not about the looks, but let's see
taste.
how it tastes.
Yeah, let's see how it tastes. Okay. Oh, I can see the eggs and the running egg.
Yes. I wanted to make the egg a little bit runny so it acts like a sauce. When you bite into it, it acts like a sauce, like just milk and blends.
Okay, let's see.
does it
So
taste?
for the first bite, I think it tastes good. Like I feel the chicken flavor.
I'm hungry just looking at her eating, so let's dig in for myself.
You like it?
Of course, I'm a cook. This is a pretty simple dish. Anyone can make it in like 30 minutes or so, so it's perfect for a lunchtime dish, or if you don't have time for dinner, then you can just quickly gather things up. Chelsea and I will going to enjoy this plate, and we'll catch you later.
Bye.